1989, may nakilala kami isang photojournalist from Taiwan na nag-attend ng isang workshop. It was an international workshop of Asian theater groups. And then when he went back to Taiwan, na-inspired. So fast forward, 2025 last year, we met him again. His name is Chu Chow. And he is now the artistic director of Assignment Theater. So after ng 35 years, he formed his own theater group in Taiwan. So when we started discussing about what we're doing now and stuff like that, so he said, "Pwede ba, do you think we can get invited to collaborate with Tanghalang Pilipino?" He said, "Why not?" Because this is going to be the first time that TP is collaborating with Asian artists for a production. So sa 50th anniversary namin, pag tinanong kayo, ano ang unang Asian collaboration ng Tanghalang Pilipino? It's called Farewell, Let Us Go to the South. What is it all about? South. Bakit go to the South? So the characters in this production are revolutionaries of their times, and they originated from the South. So one is Che Guevara. He was from Argentina, and he led one of the most successful revolutions in South America. And then another character is an activist student from South Korea who vowed to self-immolate for the reunification of the North and the South. And for the Philippines, we included the poetry of one of our revolutionary and student activist, Manuel Acaba, who was born in the South. So ayaw ko anong meron, well, Eman used his poetry to fight a dictatorship. Hindi ko na babagitin kung sino. Itago natin sa pangalan. So, ito yung naging usapan namin with the group, represented by their directors and writer, Chu Chow from Taiwan, Jun Sangbe from Korea, and the artists will be coming from 4 countries. South Korea will be represented by the groups of Arts Theater and Modico. So from South Korea, it's Art Group C and Space Theater from Busan, Assignment Theater from Taiwan, and then from Japan, it's an individual artist called Sakamoto Hiromichi. So we are going to be presenting it in 4 languages. So Korean, Chinese, Filipino, and then of course the Japanese artist will not speak in his language, but he's going to use his cello to communicate what he has to say. So for the Philippines, we have Miss Lordy Tadiwan. Interpretation of Eman's poetry. So yun, I hope we will give them a warm welcome in July, and this is going to warm up our season for the 40th theater season of TV. So sana supportan natin and we show them how Filipino theater goers are warm with their welcome. So maraming salamat.